Cook Boy Style, back with another like, share, subscribe. Cook Boy Style, back with another like, share, subscribe, ring them bells, turn on your notification. We outside, yes sir. Dang, that thing is real nice. Got the cam there.
They're offering me this
Camaro thing. D-badged. Y'all see it. Got the vat over there. Got the razors out today. Got the Cadillac thing right there. Camaro thing. What is this? Japanese, Chinese, something. Foreign thing. Y'all see that steering wheel on the other side? Got the county coming in. Y'all see him? Kitty cat, kitty cat. Mopar, no car. That over there. I see it. Got the wide body thing over there. RT. Scat pack. Walk down this way if you want. Yeah. We should have parked by us. But we ain't got one room.
Yeah.
Hey man, look at this little thing right here, man. That's soft.
But it was also a friend.
All cleaned up.
Oh, yeah, front end, yeah.
That thing. Y'all see it, man. That blue kitty cat. Yeah, outside today, man. Hey, that vet is clean, man. Old school vet. Yo, can I get y'all to subscribe to the YouTube channel?
What's your YouTube channel?
Cook Boy Style.
Cook Boys. How many trust subscribers you got?
I got 2,000 right now. 2016.
I'll check you out. Yeah, for sure, bro.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Subaru thing. I like that. A little different. I don't know. Never seen it. No car, no car. Y'all see it?
Get your forward back. He's closing up shop there. We're gonna go eat this.
Okay, okay. Got the little bug right there. Honda thing. What you got? This is.
Oh, the STI?
Yeah.
It's stock.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's stock loader.
Hell yeah.
Other than that, it's bagged, wrapped, and all that stuff.
Oh yeah, it's clean.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Hey, can I get you to subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Yeah, what is it?
Cook Boy Style.
So Cook Boys?
Yep, Cook Boy Style.
Cook Boys style.
No S.
Cook Boys.
This all won't work.
This one?
Yeah, that's me.
There you go, man.
Yeah, I see that, man.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate you. And that truck clean. One that got an LS in it. Yeah. Sharp. Clean under the hood. I hear you. I hear you. What is that? Motorcycle? Gotta be a motorcycle. Me too. Oh, Mustang. Camaro, I mean. Yeah, that Camaro. Yes, sir. Y'all see that thing? Thing's drop. Like a little Fiat. Ain't easy. Got subs, guys. You want to say something to the channel?
Hey, what's up, y'all?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Subscribe.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yeah. Got subscriber, guys. Yes, sir. Cook Boy Style. Cook Boy.
Boy style?
Yep.
Is there spaces?
Nope.
Is it that one?
Yep, that's me. Appreciate you. Thank you. Yes, sir. Motorcycle thing. Yeah. Let me hear it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's nice. Cook Boy Style. Oh, no bags? Oh, man, what you got there then? What kind of car is there?
It's 1992 Mazda Miata, man.
Yes, sir.
Some Raceland coilovers.
Hey. Y'all see that thing?
Mazda Miata.
Miata thing. Let me hear it. Hit the gas. Yes, sir.
It's alright, it's alright.
Hey, it's okay. Hang on. There, now say it.
I like you. I like you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's my man.
Yes, sir.